Hello everyone! In this presentation we will talk about information system terminology in museums. The main objective is to introduce you to the definition of information systems, providing you with a detailed description on issues related to the museum sector. At the end of this presentation, you will be able to recognize the requirements for processes related to ICT services and illustrate the development of ICT security and policy. Talking about some basic terminologies. Information system, an organized system for the collection, organization, storage and communication of information. Information and communications technology is an extensional term for information technology that stresses the role of unified communications and the integration of telecommunications, telephone lines and wireless signals, computers, as well as necessary enterprise software, middleware, storage, and audiovisual systems, which enable users to access, store, transmit, and manipulate information. You will see an overview of what we will be talking about in this chapter. Let's begin talking about the information system. It can be described as a combination of hardware, software, data, business process and functions which can be used to increase efficiency and management of an organization, or an automated system which covers people, machines or organized methods to collect, process, transmit and disseminate data representing information for the user or client. You will see now the most basic European legislation about information systems and various security and confidentiality issues. Focusing more on information security and more specifically on incidents, an incident is an information security incident, which is an adverse event in an information system or a network that poses a threat to computer or network security in respect of availability, integrity, and confidentiality. Various examples of such incidents you may see in the presented list. Information systems in the museum. Information systems in the museum sector, and more specifically ICT tools, have completely altered the way museum curators design many of their exhibits. Nowadays, we see more and more in the museums web-based technologies that are designed to enhance the online learning environments with various examples such as digital storytelling and exhibitions. There are numerous projects designed and implemented by the museums that integrate information systems in their operation. Some examples are the Integrated Museum Information System Project Polemon, creation of an integrated museum information system for implementation at national level, together with an information system for the national monuments record, or the investigation of the effectiveness of the museum's exhibit information systems interfaces for enhancing school students' cognitive performances in Australia. Finalizing this presentation, in the next classes, we will look into information systems and the museums into further detail, focusing also on their business strategies. Thank you.